You know, the idea that great whites are these malicious killing machines roving the shorelines looking for some swimmer to chomp on is just pure fiction. You know, anytime there is a human attack,
Stay calm!
it's just a case of mistaken identity.
Come on, you guys!
You might explain to me what it is you're doing with bull sharks in containment?
My company is one of the leading producers of intelligence enhancers that can actually alter the genetic structure of the brain. They're problem solving, learning how to learn, and they like it.
You actually think you can get the same results in human beings?
Our potential is greater than any machine. It just needs to be unleashed. Let me show you. We can all be gods.
Or monsters.
What's going on?
Never seen him act this way.
This corridor is flooding!
We're losing pressure.
What does that mean?
Means it's gonna blow!
Whatever you've created here is teeth and muscle and killer instinct.
Get out of the way!